Hey there, as an MSP you need to use a ticketing system, or a PSA, these are also called Professional Services Automation, which is more than just a ticketing system. I've implemented a whole bunch of these, including some very complex implementations. I thought I'd share with you my 5 top considerations when implementing a PSA into your MSP. Okay, so here comes my second consideration, one that's always missed, is data cleansing and migration. Now we quite often remember migration, but what about the cleansing? So there's a strong chance that you're going to be implementing data from other systems into your PSA. But before you do, you want to make sure it's clean. You want to make sure that you're only bringing what you need as well. But what's that saying again? Crap in, crap out. And that's exactly what you'll get if you don't cleanse your data when you bring it into your PSA. This is an area that almost caught me out when I implemented my very first PSA. At the time we had customer records in Microsoft Dynamics CRM and records in the previous ticketing system, and needless to say they didn't match. We also had contract records, or billing arrangements as they're also called, what's included, what's not included in one system, also in PDFs in a shared library, and also physically printed in a filing cabinet. There's just data everywhere. Luckily we had some great software developers who managed to write SQL scripts and tools to migrate data out of our systems in a format that could be cleaned, checked, and brought into the PSA. But not every MSP has this luxury. I'll give you a couple of examples of the data that will need cleaning. Duplicate contact records, or how about missing details against that contact record? You may just have their email address but not their phone number or not that actual site they're at. It goes on. Missing details against a customer record as well. Have you got the postal code? Have you got the state? Have you got the country, etc. Of course, that's just a couple of record sets, so it does expand quickly and easily. But let's move on to data migration. What are you migrating, as well as how are you migrating it? The most painful in my experience is support tickets themselves. Do you migrate all of your old tickets? Do you only migrate the last financial year's worth of tickets? Is it even possible to migrate tickets into your new system? If it's not possible to migrate, then first run down all the old tickets in the old system while using the new system. It will of course have an operational overhead, as you are potentially running 2 ticketing systems for a period of time. If it is possible to migrate tickets, then I would question the value in migrating any more than the tickets that have been raised in the current financial year. Just think about that. Don't bring all that old history across unless it's going to give you business value. To summarise consideration number 2, which is data cleansing and migration, make sure the data you plan to migrate is clean and accurate. Make sure you allow time to find the data, work out what data you really need to migrate into your new system. And remember, crap in, crap out. That's it, we're done. Hopefully you found this interesting. If you did, please like and subscribe and all that stuff below. Take care, see you next time.